Hi, I'm Michelle Stolzenberg, and today I have a proposal for the USD 418 kindergarten mobile teaching. We would like to introduce some new ideas that's not already incorporated into our school district. We have a problem, I have a solution, initiative, and the next steps to succeed. The problem is technology is always changing and updating every day. Phones have changed so much in the last 30 years. Our problem is our students will be using advanced technology for the rest of their lives. As educators, we must adapt to teach our students with the most current technology available. But how do we prepare them for this new mobile technology age? What can we do today? Well, we can introduce new technology earlier on, be ahead of the curve, teach our lower primary students, introduce technology as early as pre-K or kindergarten, get students familiar with using this technology. Lancaster City Schools has embraced this technology, and here is a video.
Technology has shifted hugely in the course of education. When I first started in education, we didn't have technology. We might have had some desktop computers, but today every kid has a one-to-one iPad initiative in our district, and it's the way of the world.
I use it throughout my day in language arts and math, and we use it during center time. We use it as small group instruction one-on-one to reinforce skills that we're learning inside the classroom.
It makes learning fun. It engages them. We set the expectation for these little kiddos, and you would be amazed at what they can do.
They ask all day long to be able to use the iPads anytime that they complete work, they want to get on it. They think it's really cool to see how many puzzles they can beat in the ST Math program, or how many levels in Lexia they can complete.
Our kids think that they're playing, but in reality, they are playing, but they are also learning at the same time. To them, getting them an iPad and giving them an activity to do on the iPad, even if I'm sitting right with them, they're still learning.
They use it to communicate. They use it to share. They love to show each other their work. They're always they love to take pictures of the things they're completing, and showing and sharing, putting it up under our projectors, even their iPads. They want to stick it under their camera and say, look, I want to show everybody what I did. So I don't feel like they're zombies or getting away from. They have a lot of interaction. They're sitting next to people. They're working alongside of others, sharing their work.
Using learning programs like game-like interfaces, students are learning valuable reading and math skills and enjoying every second of it. Pros and cons of technology in our classroom. Technology in education is the biggest change we will ever see. For years, policymakers, teachers, parents, and students alike have been weighing the potential benefits of technology in education against its risks and consequences. But now the debate is more pressing than ever as curricula increasingly incorporates technology and professors experiment with new teaching methods. Using technology in our classrooms, you will experiment in pedagogy, demonstrate the classroom, and better engage students. On the other hand, some argue technology in the classroom can be distracting and even foster cheating. Using technology in the classroom allows you to experiment more, get instant feedback. Technology in the classroom helps ensure full participation. There's countless resources to enhance education and make learning more fun and effective. Technology can automate a lot of your tedious tasks. With technology in the classroom, your students have instant access to fresh information that can supplement their learning experience. We live in a digital world, and technology is a life skill. The cons, these are problems that we have encountered. Technology in the classroom can be a distraction. Technology can disconnect students from social interaction, but in the video we just saw, we saw them working in groups. I think these minor problems will be reduced or eliminated after the initial year. Technology in the classroom as early as kindergarten and first grade.
These are public spaces.
My proposal is to administer the one-on-one program. This is going to be a one-year trial. We're going to enlist 200 kindergarten students in the USD 418. Each student will have access to an Amazon Fire tablet, approximately cost $50 per tablet. We're also going to include a $15 protective case to help ensure that it does not get damaged. So the total cost per student is $65. The total cost for 200 students is $13,000. Protecting our investment, we are going to have accidents. These are younger children. They might get caught in bad weather, or our food or drinks may spill. We have to teach our students how to keep their device safe so they can have it for the whole year. This solution of technology is to implement these Amazon Fire tablets to over 200 kindergarten students in USD 418 and these cases to protect them for the year. Thank you.